Perfection is a myth, and the sooner you see it for what it is, the faster your life starts moving. Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They don't fail because they lack ideas. They fail because they are waiting to feel ready, waiting for the perfect plan, waiting for the perfect timing, waiting for a version of themselves that doesn't doubt, doesn't hesitate, doesn't make mistakes. But that version doesn't exist. Perfection sounds noble. It sounds like discipline, like high standard, like excellence. But in reality, perfection is often just fear disguised as preparation. Think about how many times have you stopped yourself from starting something because it wasn't ready yet? How many ideas are still in your head because you wanted them to be flawless before anyone saw them? How many opportunities passed while you were busy trying to get everything just right? Perfection doesn't push you forward, it keeps you frozen because perfection has a hidden rule. If it's not flawless, don't begin. And that rule quietly kills momentum. Here is the truth most people avoid. You don't get clarity before action, you get clarity because of action. You don't become confident and then start. You start, and confidence builds along the way. Every skill you admire, every person you look up to, was built through imperfect attempts, messy start, failed draft, awkward first tries. What looks effortless today was once uncomfortable, uncertain, and far from perfect. And here's where it gets even more important. Even if you did reach what you call perfect, it wouldn't stay that way because you change. Your awareness grows, your standards evolve, your definition of good enough shifts. What feels perfect today will feel incomplete tomorrow. So you end up chasing something that keeps moving further away. That's the trap. Perfection isn't a destination, it's a mirage. And the more you chase it, the more it delays your growth. Now compare that to progress. Progress doesn't ask you to be flawless, it asks you to show up, to try, to adjust, to improve step by step. Progress is real because it compounds. One small action today leads to a little more clarity tomorrow, a little more confidence, a little more skill, and over time, those small steps turn into something powerful momentum. And momentum is what changes everything. Because once you are in motion, you're no longer stuck in your head. You're learning in real time. You're adapting. You're becoming better without even noticing it. The people who succeed aren't perfect. They just refuse to wait. They didn't ask, is this flawless? They asked, is this moving me forward? That's the shift from perfection to progress, from hesitation to action, from overthinking to execution. So if you're stuck right now, if you have been waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, the perfect version of yourself, this is your sign. Start before you feel ready. Start before it's perfect. Start while it's still uncomfortable. Because perfection never arrives. But progress builds, progress compounds, progress transforms you. And one day you will look back at something you almost didn't start and realize that imperfect beginning was the best decision you ever made.